Model, 1987 Talbot Camper Auto Sleeper Talisman Camper Motorhome needs head gasket 81K. Body, white, camper. Mileage, 81,709. Engine, 1,971 cc. Transmission, 5-speed manual. Mechanical summary, takes a few more cranks to start than average, runs great. Head gasket needs replacing, coolant is pressurizing. Straightforward simple head gasket replacement job definitely has loads of life left in this, definitely worth fixing, grin. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean and presentable. Interior is very clean and has plenty life left in it. Rear camping area is very clean and tidy with loads of life left in it. Genuine honest camper van which has been well looked after. Features: sink, fully fitted camper, bed, wind-up windows, fridge, electric hookup, hob. Euro status, Euro 3. HPI, clear. Contact us, 01564334664. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info.